Alright, so I don't know where we're starting off, but I'm just filming. So we got an old Fender here. If anyone can guess what it is, then good on you. This might give it away there, but yeah, I've taxed this to well, I found it in the bush actually, so brought it home and then just gonna test welding on it, because this is the only bit of sheet metal that I could find that I can test weld, which I won't cry about if I ruin it, which is the whole plan. So yeah. Alright, so I've cleaned up the paint, got a nice cut. That's a pretty big gap, so hopefully the welder can fill that in, but let's see how it goes. So that didn't go planned at all. It is terrible, but this one I did have some nice spot welds that covered the gap, like that one there, like that was decent. And then I was like, you know what, I'll just test spot welds, And I got the settings right, so there's good penetration on the other side, so that's good. So I was just like, yeah, those gaps are pretty damn big, so I just cut out a piece. I'm hopefully just gonna finesse it like that and then just butt weld it, because that gap, yeah, I figured was way too big. So yeah, hopefully this will teach me some stuff, I guess. But I got the settings for spot welding dialed in pretty well, so let's have a go at this one. So we are finally having some success. So I cut out a little thing there, because bridging those gaps were an absolute mission. Like, I never realized how actually big they were until now. So yeah, I cut out a little piece. That's pretty darn good. Like, this camera's terrible at focusing, or is it just me? But that little joint there is now nice and smooth after grinding back the ugliness. Like, for a first try on like patch paneling something, I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, and I think the other side has some good penetration through it. I've cut out another piece and hopefully we can get some same results as that, so should be good. Alright, so it's coming out alright. I went a little too fast there, so it started to warp everything, but I mean, it's getting there. It's work in progress, so I'm just going to grind it back and see how it looks. Alright, so everything's been a bloody mess. So the best one that I did was the first one, and look at that, that's seamless. And I did this one, which was pretty good. And then I did this one, which was absolute arse. And then this one was alright until I ran a fat bead down it for some reason. But yeah, it's good fun. I'm bloody tired. And my back is sore since I've been bending down. But I was like, you know what? Let's just try and just fill that in. I've gotten the angle grinder in there and just done a nice little cut. I don't know how deep it is, but it's somewhat deep. And I'm hopefully just gonna keep tacking. I'm not gonna try and run a bead, just tacks, and then see how well I can smooth that out. This is harder than I thought. Way harder. Alright, so I've been welding for a bit and I'm bloody over it. Well, I'm not over it, I'm just done for today, because yeah, this is looking like complete arse. Well, this is all practice crap, so of course it looks like arse, but yeah, I really need to be more patient with doing all the tacks and all that, because stuff, I'll just go at it, but then it turns out like doo-doo, and then I got to do it all over again. So yeah, this is probably the best one right there. The first and final best one was this one. But yeah, that's that. I'm just going to give her a break for now. I haven't really touched that at you for a while, so probably should start sanding some more than trying to weld. But yeah, it's going to be interesting welding on that if I weld on it, or if I get someone else to. That's more good with the sheet metal. But yeah, that's about it. It'll be on the road one day. It'll be like that one day. We'll take a geese over here. Look at this rig, mate. It's got a bit of cancer in it, just a little. But hopefully my roof will become this smooth with fresh paint on it one day. But for now, it's stuck in the garage like that.